In today's video, I tell you about super keyword. Sometimes we need to call parent class methods from child class methods, and for that we use super keyword. How we use super keyword and its syntax, I tell you in this video. How we use. So let's move to the computer screen and let's get started. Now, let me tell you what a super keyword in Python. The super keyword in Python is used to refer to the parent class. It is especially useful when a class inherits from a multiple parent classes and you want to call a method from one of the parent classes. When a class inherits from a parent class, it can override or extend the methods defined in the parent class. However, sometimes you might want to use the parent class method in the child class. This is where the super keyword comes in handy. Here is an example of how to use the super keyword in simple inheritance scenario. So like I will be write like class parent class and the def should be parent, method should be self. And now here we will write like print this is the parent method 1 dot, and now when we will write like that, no one, okay. And now when we will write like that, we will go down and go down. We will write like class child class, and into the here we will write like parent class, and here we will write like do like that. And here I will write like def child method and should be self. And now here we will be print like this is the child method. And now here we will be do like that, and now here we will be enter press, and here I will be write like here we will be sorry it, and here we will be enter. Here we will write like super dot parent should be method. And now here we will be write like child object child class, enter. Here from enter child object should be dot yeah, here when we will write like that all things, so super parent. And now here we will go, and here we will be write like dot child method like this, and we do like this, and then we'll be run it. So here's coming like this, it's a child method and this is the parent method. And here into the print I will be like this is a parent method. You will be write like anything, but I will be parent class, so here I will write like parent, and you will be write like parent 50 parent method 50. So here is come like 50. Okay, it is very simple, but I will be not do like this, simple like this. Okay, now output is this is a child method and this is the parent method. In this example, we have a parent class with a parent method and the child class that inherits from parent class and overrides the child method. When the child method is called, it first print this is the child method and then calls the parent method. Using the super keyword, The super keyword is also useful when a class inherits from multiple parent classes. In this case, you can especially the parent class from which you want to call the method. Here's an example. Here I will be give you one example. Okay, like here into the method. Here I will be raise it. Here I will be write like def, and here I will write like this is the parent method of parent class 1 dot. And then here I will be go down, and into the here print. Here I will be erase like that, and here I will write like this is the parent. This is the parent method of parent class 2. And when I will be do like this, and now here when we will do like this, so now what we will be do, we will be come down, and now here I will be do like this, enter. Here I will be write like class, and that class will be child class, and the child class will be parent class, and the parent class will be 1 comma parent class will be 2, and then we will write like that. And when I will be copy this all things, like here we will copy it, and here I will be paste it. And when I will be pasted like that, and now here I will be run it. So here we will do like this, and now do like this, erase this all thing I will be, and now here we will be come up, and here we will be write like class, copy it and paste it like this, and then we will run it, run, and then this is the child method, and this is the parent method of parent C1, parent class 1, and here I will be write like this is the parent method of parent class 2, and this is I will write this is a child method, and here is come like this is a child method. You will write like this is a child method, child is 7. So here's coming like that. This is the child method. Child is 7. Okay, it is very simple. And now here we will be run it. So here's coming this is child method, and here parent method of parent class 1. And you will be changed like parent class 50. And when you will be write like parent class 50, so here's coming like the not 1. Here's coming like the 50. Okay, parent. This is a parent method of parent class 50. It is very simple. In this example, the child class inherits from both parent class 1 and parent class 2. The child method calls the parent method of the first parent class using the super keyword. In conclusion, the super keyword is a useful tool in Python when you want to call a parent class method in a child class. It can be used in inheritance scenarios with a single parent class or multiple parent classes. So in today's video, I will tell you a super keyword and in Python. So now you will go to my YouTube and search my channel by the name of Code with PK, and then you will be go to my channel and subscribe with all the notification bell. You will be all the notification bell here into the notification. Here my video will be commit, and you will be very supporting on my Discord clone video and my Dare and Dict video also. And now and you will go to the playlist and go to my Python tutorial playlist and like this video, share friend from here and bookmark this playlist and access this playlist. I already bookmark it like that and done it, and now here you will see all my video. And when you will be not see only you will be see one video and you will become on to 13 videos. So you will be very difficulty in code. Okay, not come. I will be telling you one. When do we see one video and not come directly 13? See the second video, third video, because when you will come to the directly on 13 videos, so you will be difficulty in codes, okay? And when you will be see 1, 2, 3, 4 line by line, so you will be not difficulty in codes, and you will be learn up. You will learn easily what is super keyword or Python, and this is 100 days of code, and we will be okay. So I will meet you next class of Python or clone by okay. I doesn't know. Okay. But in this week the big clone will be also come. Okay, who will never made it, but in the next video I will tell you super keyword in Python. So I hope you can enjoy this class, like this video, say often, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you in next class and next video amazing class. So for today, goodbye.